Parang ang sarap guys katihin. Like, parang katilang spuit ba?
And I don't really know why.
Nah, where is the bug? You're hiding in there?
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place, float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin and just levitate.
What the heck? Honey, oh.
Where are my baggage?
You're crazy. Crazy, bye-bye. How can I fall? How can I fall? When you just won't give me reason.
He said, Mama, if you really love me, you would give me pancakes, pancakes. Mama, if you really love me, you would give me pancakes,
I'm dancing when you're singing.
pancakes. Where are my pancakes? Where are my yellow pancakes?
He's listening to you, huh?
Yeah, man, where are my pancakes?
Lil Nan, talk to your dada, oi. Come here, talk to your dada, oh. Talk to your dada.
Pancakes, pancakes. All we like are pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. Where are my pancakes?
Talk to him, man. He's right there. Talk to him.
Little man, where are your pancakes, little man? Why is that mama not giving you your pancakes? I don't know why.
You know what? Pancakes or croissants? He loved the croissants more. And he liked the pandesal too.
But he take what he could get, and he could get pancakes. Give me the pancakes. Where are my pancakes? My fucking little pancakes. Little bug, little bug. What the heck is my little bug?
Roxy's coming, hearing you. Hold on. Come here, bug. Let's go down. Come here. Come here. Come here. He's following me, Han. Come, let's go down. Let's go down, little man. Go. Good boy. What a good boy, oi. What a good boy. I told him let's go down. He followed me and went downstairs, Han.
Okay then.
He's a good boy, Han. You know that? He understands too, Han.
Because he thought you were going to bring him pancakes.
Later, I'm gonna give him dry food. Treaties.
Wait for pancakes, and what, you bring me downstairs and you don't give me no frickin' pancakes.
Somebody threw up here. Who threw up in here? Two threw ups. Who was that? The cat eating the freaking thing. I told you, Dimples keep eating this bonsai I have. Luckily, it's not poisonous, son.
Yeah, no kidding.
Shit. Or else she died already. Hi guys! Good morning! itong mga pusakits ko. Pusakits. Junakits na pusakits. Tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo itong si Hab guys. Gutom na gutom guys. Dinadrag. Tingnan nyo. Dinadrag itong pagkain niya out. At puro mga teeth mark na. Ano ginagawa mo dito? Ha? Ba't dinadrag mo ito? Ha? Naghihilp ka sa sarili mo ha? Ay nako. Yung dada mo talaga. So, good morning. Katatapos ko lang pala na Lego. This morning, guys, I was playing game. Naglalaro ako ng ROS. Anyway, guys, kung gusto nyo maglalaro ng ROS, ano lang, i-download nyo lang sa mga phone nyo, sa App Store ninyo. And then, if you wanna add me, you can add me, Yani. Big, capital letter Y. H-A-N-N and then E and then Tutu. Yani Tutu. Yung asawa ko, di ba, Mandy, usually, Tommy, and my mother-in-law come over here. But this time, ano siya, hindi pupunta yung asawa ko dito dahil ano, dahil yung snow is grabe. Grabe yung grabe yung snow, guys. And hindi pa man nag-snow, mamaya pa, pero mas grabe daw. Sabi ng asawa ko, may pimples ako dito. Okay lang yan. Natural lang yan. Life, di ba? Life. I think spring is coming. It's supposedly be spring already. I'm looking at our tree in the backyard right now. Look. The tree are, guys, itong dahon, guys, lalabas na ito, guys. Tammy and I planning to clean our front yard because there is an island in our front yard, like an island, and we haven't cleaned that since we got the house, so it's bushy. And then if you clean it with the leaves are blooming, the leaves, kung lalabas na yung mga dahon, guys, hinapan ko na sarili ko, yung Bisaya. So kapag lalabas na yung mga dahon, guys, ang mangyari kasi daming poison ivy. Yeah, so ayaw ko na ma-poison ivy because I experienced it already. It sucks. It's itchy, plus if you itch it, it will get worse and it travel into your whole body. At saka alam nyo ba kung ano yung inano ko, yung down na pang ano ng hugas ng pinggan na down? Kasi maganda yan sa oil kasi yung poison ivy oil siya. At saka kapag kinakati mo siya at saka hinawakan mong ibang part ng katawan mo, doon magta-travel yan. So I soaked myself in the bathtub. Doon ako sa jacuzzi, guys. Nilagyan ko ng daming down, guys. At saka nag-ano ako, di ba, may sponges panghugas ng pinggan. Kumuha ako na, guys, ng bago, guys. Sponge ko yung sarili ko, guys. Di ba, may ano yung sa kabilang side ng sponge, may tawag nito, may rough area at saka may spongy na soft side at saka rough side. Yung rough side, guys, ini-sponge ko yung sarili ko, guys. Parang hinuhugasan ko yung sarili ko all the time. Yun ang ginagawa ko. And then after that, nilalagyan ko ng Benadryl para hindi ko makati. So, dun siya, guys, nawala siya. So, yun lang ang ano ko. So, kung andito kayo sa US at naka-encounter kayo ng poison ivy at saka kumakati yung katawan nyo, yun gawin nyo, guys. Mag-humol kayo sa tub, guys, or sa sapa, guys. Hindi pa ako naka-ano ng poison ivy sa Pilipinas kung meron ba. Magsasaka naman ako, pero hindi ako naka-experience ng poison ivy. May dahon na ano sa lasang-lasang sa forest na makati siya, pero hindi yung poison ivy katulad ko na grabe yung kati, guys. Parang ang sarap, guys, katihin. Like, parang kati lang, spuit ba? Ganyan, guys. Sarap siya katihin, pero, guys, dumadami at saka masakit din siya. Masakit. At saka kapag kumakati na siya, ang sarap katihin. Ayaw mo talaga. Hindi ka na mag-undang, guys. Hindi ka na talaga mag-undang, guys, kasi sobrang kati. Si Roxy nakatulog. Tingin-tingin na akin dito. Nakatulog siya, guys. Sabi niya, hindi na ako maintindi ni mama, eh. But anyway, guys, I will see you later. Mag-film lang ako sa taas, guys. And then I will be right back, okay? Mag-film lang ako. I'm wearing something under here because it's freezing. Hala, maganda yung eyebrow ko dito, ay. Dito para siyang bakikawi. Pero okay naman, maganda talaga to. Pero ito hindi. Paminsan ito maganda, paminsan pangit. Paminsan pangit talaga. And because you don't listen, hon.
That's what you said. You did to me. You remember that Wednesday? You're like, oh, see, I told you it would be nothing. See, nothing.
See, nothing. No, see, nothing.
You want to look 2 feet.
Yeah, you call me very late. A lot. I'm going to defrost salmon. Well, I'm just gonna leave it out here para ma-defrost, and then yun din yung kakainin ko para dinner ko. At saka meron akong zucchini dito, ilagay ko to sa labas para hindi ko makalimutan lutuin. So tatlo siya, mag 1 week na ito tomorrow. Mag 1 week yan dito. Hi guys! May magpapa-shoutout pala. So, yung mga kalaro ko guys, magpa-shoutout sila guys. Magpa-shoutout daw sila. So, isa-shoutout ko na si Litme, which is now her name is Japayuki! What? Japayuki na siya. Hi Japayuki, Litme. Let me be the Japayuki. Okay, hi Lit. Thank you. Thank you for liking and also leaving a ano ba yung like. So, magpapa-shout out din sina Jesus. desisyon. Hi, Jesus! Thank you. Thank you for playing with me. Salamat sa inyong time sa paglalaro ng mga adik. Mga adik sa Rules of Survival dyan. Hi! Si Kay, kapatid ni Jesus, at saka si Rain, which is Americos, si America. At saka magsha-shoutout din ako bukas, guys, sa mga magpapa-shoutout sa vlog ko, yung mga talagang viewers ko. Bukas tayo, guys, shoutout. Okay? Bukas na vlog, as in vlog. Do you wanna go out first? Do you want to go out? Stretchy, misty. Do you want to go out? Hello, Baba, no. Do you want to go out, Tish? Oh, baby. Ay, nako, yung kuko mo ba? Nako, lagay. Sige na. Ano yung inuusig ni Misty? Hala, anong inuusig niya? Anong inuusig mo dyan? Anong inuusig-usig mo? Nag-usig-usig ka man dyan. Anong little bug. Tignan nyo yung line niya, guys. As in, guys, para sa lahat talaga siyang tiger, ano? My little tiger. Ito si Dimples. May line naman siya katulad, pero hindi siya katulad talaga ni Hubs na sobrang linya talaga. Oh, kita nyo yung linya sa gilid dito. Oh, linya talaga ba? Oh, dito. Linya talaga. Para talaga yung little tiger itong si Bag ko. This is my little tiger. Mama love tiger. So I cannot have a real one. So I have a small one. This one! Hala, Deep. Mama's scaring you, Deep. Mama's crazy. Misty, papasukin mo na ako, Mama. Hala, your brother. Don't. Ay, nako. Don't bother him. Hi, nako, Roxy. Good girl. Ano yan? Aloy! Anyway, nagbabalik ako dahil dito. So, ito guys, parang ang laman dito, I think, ang laman dito, hindi kadramahan. Diary lang ito, yung mga, namin ni Tuami, yung asawa ko. Itong libro na ito guys, diary na ito, sobrang liit lang kasi hindi na ako masyadong nagsusulat. Nag-start na ako ng video. Ang nakauna ditong sulat is, privacy please. Dito, privacy please. At saka, maganda talagang notebook na ito guys. At saka, andito yung dalawang aso ko guys. Kasama ko sila. But anyway, sinulat ko ito, 2012, August 7. Sabi pa dito guys, ang pinakauna talaga. Sabi ko dito, 4:30 AM na. Grabe, ang aga nito, guys. Nakamata, nagising ako, 4:30 ng umaga. Sabi ko, nagising ako. Pagbangon ako, iibutan ko na, ilagay ko na lang dito yung, hirap ka ba mag-video at saka magta-translate pa ako nito. So, wala naman akong lipstick. Nakatingin lang itong dalawa, guys. Misty, you have to get down. Akala niya pagkain ito. Gumaganon-ganon. Hello, get down, Misty. Bisayaon ko na lang ito, guys. And then, itry ko dito mag-translate, guys, ah.
Pagbangon ako, wala ako bana. Abi na ako asa na. Naadi ay sa silong nag-coffee. Naglagot na ko ato na time. Everything is fine again.
Hello, ang ka naman ito.
At naging OA.
Naging okay din. Naging okay din ang lahat. Sa dinner namin. Sa dinner, salmon ako ulam. Mix Tagalog, Bisaya. Ito, sa dinner, salmon ako ulam. Ang sako ba na pork BBQ? Pork BBQ. So, pati mga ulam, nalaman na talaga, guys. August 8, 2012. Okay. In-English ko dito, guys. Ba't in-English ko, eh? Sige, tignan natin dito, guys, kung ano na yung mga sinabi ko dito. I always get up early in the morning. And I don't really know why. Hinahaplos ko palagi ang asawa ko sa ulo kasi palagi siyang may sakit sa ulo. Ano ito, guys, yung hindi talaga siya continuation, parang paputol-putol.
Naawa na ako.
At 7 AM, we both awake to bring her mother sa dialysis para dalhin yung ina niya sa dialysis. So, ginagawa namin yan every other day. At saka ngayon, 9:41 na ng umaga. I will see you later, diary. Guys, boring man ito, guys. Wala man kadrama-drama ito. XOXO. Okay, sabi ko dito, I'm back, 10:30 AM. My husband dropped me off because he's ready to go to work. So, meron akong gagawin paglilinis sa living room, sa sala, sa bahay. Doon yung sa isang bahay. I think yun yung time na grabe yung kalat talaga na wala nang makadaan. So, nilinis ko talaga siya. Ano siya, makalat. At saka yung kapatid ng asawa ko na babae, hindi nga marunong maglinis sa mga junkie niya. But it's okay. May pa-okay-okay pa ako. Be right back. August 8 pa rin. It's 11:40. Oh my God, every hour ito. It's 11:40 AM. Ginawa ko kung ano man yung dapat kong gawin. Kumain ako ng breakfast at lunch. So ngayon, iniisip ko na lang yung asawa ko. Nami-miss ko siya all the time. I love you, baby ko. Ciao. I don't know if I spell it right. Sabi ko, ciao. Ciao, bye-bye, ciao. I don't know if I spell it right. I'm not good in spelling. Bye for now. God bless us. You know what, diary? Oh, I think you don't know.
Oh my God.
Nagpa-promise ako na mamahalin ko yung asawa ko forever. Alagaan ko siya talaga hanggang walang hanggan. At alam naman natin na mas bata ako sa kumpara sa kanya. Am I correct?
Lol.
Tinanong ko talaga. Am I correct? Lol. Anyway, I'm so excited to be back home. Excited but so worried that I'm going to be alone in the Philippines, not being with him. So, I think this is the time na pauwi ako sa Pilipinas. 4:45 na ng hapon. Okay, August 12. Maayong aga, ano na, 2 o'clock at 11 na, 2 o'clock ng umaga. At saka hindi ako makatulog dahil yung husband ko sobrang ingay, yung ano ba niya, yung ingay niya. So, ang ginawa ko lang, nanonood ako ng movie. Won't Last a Day Without You, Sarah Geronimo and Gerald Anderson. Oh my God, help me to fall asleep.
Naano ako guys, nabuburingan ako nito guys. Hindi ko na alam kung itutuloy ko ba ito.
Okay, ito siya, September na guys. September 11, sabi ko dito. It's been a long time since I talked to you, diary. Anyway, it's been a crazy month. Right now, I'm not feeling good. Magkasakit na ako nito. Yung ulo ko sobrang sakit. And hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. Kung ano man yung mangyayari sa akin, mag-leave ako ng message to my husband. So, magli-leave daw ako ng kung ano ng mga iniisip ko nito. Sabi ko dito, honey, gusto kong malaman mo kung gaano kita makamahal. Oh, February na ito. February 6, 2013. Tulo ka buwan diri sa Pinas. Nag-reunion me last January 1, 2013. Sa akong pamilya yun guys, sa mother side ko nag-reunion. Then, nibalik kong Cebu after reunion. So anyway guys, so yun lang guys. Hindi siya sobra guys. Wala na siya dong walang kadramahan. Akala ko dito yung kadramahan, hindi ko pala sinulat talaga yung nangyayari ko dito. Kasi yung mga sobra ng mga pangyayari dito with my with my asawa, sa mga alam niyo na kung hindi ko talaga nasulat. Hindi ko nasulat. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Sige, mukbang guys. Kung meron man akong mukbang dito, mukbang ha. Thank you guys so much. Bye!
So, papakainin ko na itong mga junakits ko. So, ang ilalagay ko sa pusa is itong si Fancy Face. Ano lang, hindi sila isa-isa guys. Yung paano ko sa kanila. Inano ko siya ay do it and a half. So, ano yun? So, yun. And then, itong sa aso is si pedigree. Kahit anong pedigree, guys, yung pinakain ko sa kanila. But what the store have when I went to the store, ito yung andon sila. Ito yung roasted chicken, rice, and vegetable flavor and gravy. So, yun. So, yun. Yun. Ano ko din siya, half din sila. And then, we get also, Tammy get also turkey from Walmart. Ito siya. Pang tao ito, guys, ha. Ito, hindi siya, hindi siya talaga for the pets. Yun. Binili ni Tammy ito para talaga sa mga junakits niya. There you cat. Okay, that's a good boy and good girl. Luto muna tayo, guys. Onion at garlic ang andito. Ito yung lulutuin ko. Zucchini. At saka minamarinate ko na yung yung salmon ko dito. Salmon pa. American pa, salmon. Salmon sa inyong mga mata. Salmon ito salmon. Hindi ito si salmon. Ilagay na natin ito. Yun. Freshly grind pepper, which is my favorite. Kasi ilagyan ko siya ng Maggi Sabor. Konti. And then, imimix na natin ang bango. Little bit of salt. Ang bango niya as in, banga-banga. Yan. Tignan natin anong ginagawa ng dalawa dito. What are you guys doing here? Huh? Nagfa-fight na naman kayo? Na, where is the bug? You're hiding in there? What are you doing, huh? Huh? What have you been doing, huh? Ay, Roxy! Uy, makuyawan, tani mo igata ka. Kalit lang kagtunga sa akong dagway. Kalimutan ko talagang pumunta dun sa namin mailbox. Puntahan ko muna yung mail. Ay, ito lang yung mga nakuha kong papel. Mga bayaran ng dami. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, so yun lang. Thank you guys. Matutulog. Hindi pa ako matutulog. I'm still going to edit a thumbnail for my video tomorrow. And I really do appreciate sa time ninyo. Okay guys? Sana magkita-kits tayo bukas. And kung nanonood kayo ni Inday Kabkabihay ninyo ako. Kasi nowadays, I've been watching her eating portion, eating mukbang niya style. Ano kayang iniisip nito? Ano kayang iniisip nito? But tingin na lang sa akin. Pinagalitan ko kanina kasi nasa sad yan ba? Tingin na lang dito. I'll be right back. I will be right back. I will be right back. She doesn't like that. Okay? I will be right back. Be a good girl. I'll be right back. You be a good girl, okay? I will be right back, Rox. You be a good girl, Rox, okay? Mama will be right back. Bye! See you tomorrow's vlog. I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Please come back tomorrow, guys. Mama will post another video tomorrow, guys. Bye, guys. Night, guys. Bye. See, bye-bye.